The evil eye really dominated thinking. For instance, you didn't ever compliment a child, or you did a good job, but it was all right to tell a neighbor, oh, my daughter plays the piano so well. Because people would say, oh, your mother talks about you all the time. And I was angry with her one time. I don't want you ever to talk to me about me to your friends. But she, she couldn't tell me, because I would then be a victim of that evil eye. I'll tell you, was one of the terrible things. It prevented mothers or parents from complimenting children. But it's all right to tell your neighbor, but not you. So that was something that I thought was awful, and I missed hearing that. So when I had children, I complimented them. It's terrible not to be complimented. But you could tell they were proud of you, but they couldn't tell you that. So